His ways are not our ways. His thoughts, not our thoughts. For example, the way we think as human beings is that if you want to increase in wealth, you must keep on accumulating. But that's not what he said. In his own case, he said, in Proverbs chapter 11, verse 24, Proverbs 11, verse 24, he said, if you want to increase, you must scatter. He said, the little you say you have, scatter it. We don't think that way. What we have, we want to hold. But you will discover, if you ask the elders, they will tell you that even the devil knew that trick. That if anybody has made a charm for wealth, the witch doctor will tell him, when the money begins to come, begin to scatter it. If you swallow a charm to make money, they expect that at least once a week, you must throw a party. The devil copied that from God. There is he that scattereth, and yet does what? Increaseth. And then there is he who decides, no, I'm going to keep the little I have, and God says that little is going to diminish. In Matthew chapter 13, from verse 3 to 9, Matthew 13, from verse 3 to 9, the Lord told us the story of the sower. He said the sower went to sow. Some of the seed, because he was just scattering the seed, some fell by the roadside, some fell on stony ground, some fell among thorns, etc., etc. God wants you to scatter. Some of the scattering might not produce fruit. But if you would land on good soil, and the harvest from the good soil will take care of whatever fell on wrong soil. Because the Bible made it clear in Hosea chapter 8 verse 7, Hosea 8 verse 7, he said, when you sow wind, you will reap wild wind. The harvest is always much, much bigger than the seed sown. The reason some of us are still where we are, financially speaking, is because we have not learned to scatter. So you are learning, you are understanding God now. He expects you to scatter, and then you will increase.